In this tutorial, I'll show you how to leave a repository on GitHub. This is useful if you're a collaborator on a repository and no longer need access to it. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Settings. From the left sidebar, find and select Repositories. Here, you'll see the repositories you're associated with. Find the repository you want to leave. Next, click the Leave button next to the repository. A confirmation window will appear. Review the information and click I understand. Leave this repository to confirm. You'll now be removed from the repository and will no longer have access to it unless you're invited again. That's how to leave a repository on GitHub. Thanks for watching.